So the first method is to restart your PS5. So this is known as one of the best way to fix the issue while you're coming across. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problems. So you need to simply open PS5 and then click on PlayStation button. After that select power and then click on restart PS5. So after that try to launch the game on your PS5 and check if it's working or not. If not, second method is to check storage space on console. So for that go to PS5 settings and then move to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Again go to PS5 settings and then click on save data and game or app settings. Here select save data PS5 and finally delete option in console storage. So after this try to launch the game and see if has resolved the issue. If not, next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So for that you need to go to settings. After that click on network, then click on settings again, then click on setup network connection. Here you need to tap on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you have to select either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz, and after that check if the issue is fixed or not. Next solution is to rebuild database. So for that you first need to switch off your PS5. After that hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter a safe mode, and here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and after that choose rebuild database. So after this method, now try if the issue is fixed or not. If not, next is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for the game update if any available, and after that try to play the game and check if it's working or not. Next solution is to restore licenses. So for that you need to open settings on your PS5. After that go to user and accounts. Now move down to others on left panel and here select restore licenses. After that you need to select your game and then click on restore. So after restoring the licenses, now check if you can launch the game on your PS5 or not. If not, next solution is to delete game's save file. So for that open settings on your PS5 and then click on save the data PS5 option. Here select upload or delete from console storage and finally select your game. So after deleting the game's save file, check if the problem is resolved or not. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, you should try to cool down for some time before using it, or keep it somewhere without the use, and after that check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to change language on your console. So for that first open PS5 settings. After that go to system. Now select language option in the left sidebar and then from here you need to select current language. From here change the language to English or any other you want, and after that check if the issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to sign out and sign in to PS5. So for that go to settings on your PS5, then click on user and accounts. Next go down and tap on other option. After that click on sign out option. Once done, wait for some time and again log into a PS5 account and then check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then click on system. After that go to system software, then system software update and settings. Here you need to select update system software if there is any update available, and finally select update using internet option. So after installing the software updates on your PS5, now try to launch the game and check if the crashing or other issues is resolved or not on PS5. Next is to reset your console settings. So for that, first launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now select reset options under system. After that, select reset default settings. At last, select restore option. So after resetting your console, now check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, you need to reinstall the game. So for that, first you need to highlight your game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. After deleting, restart your PS5 and again reinstall the game to check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, the last method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support team. For that, I have provided the link in the description. Just go through it and you can easily contact the PlayStation support, explain the issue you are coming across, and after that they will try to resolve the issue, and hopefully the problem you are facing will be resolved and you can play the game without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video guide. Thank you.